You guys, entrepreneurs growing in confidence, companies growing through innovation, and Cebu growing into a globally competitive AI-powered economy. A few months ago, I met Maria, a micro-entrepreneur from Cebu who sells fashion accessories online through Facebook and Instagram. Every evening, after putting her children to sleep, she would spend hours replying to customer inquiries, writing captions, editing product photos, and thinking of ways to attract more buyers. She worked tirelessly, yet her business struggled to grow. Not because she lacked the determination. If you're an entrepreneur, you are determined, right? But because she simply ran out of time. One day, another entrepreneur introduced her to ChatGPT. She began using it to write product descriptions, create engaging Facebook captions, respond politely to customer inquiries, and even plan weekly marketing campaigns. She paired it with Canva Magic Studio to instantly create professional-looking promotional materials and short videos that once took her hours to make. What used to consume 4 or 5 hours of her late evening now took less than one. Amazing AI. Within a few months, she wasn't just reaching more customers, she was spending more evenings with her children and husband. She had more confidence in growing her business. She stopped merely surviving and started building. You see, artificial intelligence didn't replace Maria, it multiplied her potential. It didn't replace her creativity, it amplified it. It didn't take away her livelihood, it gave her back her most valuable resource, which is time. And I believe there are thousands of Marias across Cebu and the Philippines waiting for that same opportunity. That is why what we do today matters. This summit carries a simple but powerful mission. You see it in our posters. Pagtubo sa negosyo. In English, for the non-Cebuano folks here, that's to grow your business. Not grow through empty promises or through complicated theories, but grow through practical, accessible, real-world applications of AI that every entrepreneur, manager, professional, educator, and every aspiring business leader can begin using immediately. As the summit in our poster and on our LED wall shows, built for operators, not theorists. Real AI, real returns. When we help entrepreneurs become more productive, we create better jobs. When we help businesses become more competitive, we strengthen our local economy. When we prepare our students, we have students here as well, for an AI-driven future, we invest in generations yet to come. And perhaps what inspires me most about Lambo, chaired by no less than our 2026 Local Skills Development Director of JCI Cebu, Joshua Toledo. There's Joshua here. Can we clap our hands for him? Happy birthday, LSDD. Is that it proves technology and humanity can walk hand in hand. To our delegates, thank you for choosing to be pioneers. History rarely announces itself while it is being written. Years from now, when people speak about how Cebu embraced AI, I hope they will remember that it began in rooms like this, with people like you. The future does not belong to those who simply use AI. The future belongs to leaders who can use AI to create more opportunities, more inclusive prosperity, and more human-centered businesses. As JCI members, that is exactly the kind of future we are committed to building for 78 years and counting. So today, be curious, ask difficult questions, challenge old assumptions, build meaningful partnerships with the people around you here, and leave this summit not just inspired, but equipped to Lambo. Welcome to Lambo 2026. Welcome to Cebu's AI future. And together, let us lead the future we wish to create. Daghang salamat And may God bless us all.